Sure. So we're all, humans are really busy people, and the brain has to deal with lots of information that's coming in all at once. So what it does in terms of trying to cope with that kind of information overload is it pushes a lot of that stimulus into the automatic or the intuitive part of the brain. So we've got two systems really. One that's really bothered about facts and numbers and pragmatics, and that's when we normally have time to think about these things. But more often than not, we obviously don't have the time to think about things carefully, and we need to make quite quick decisions. And that's kind of what we call system 2 part of the brain. And that is really based on very quick, how do I feel about it?
Right.
So that's kind of what happens. And then, however, when we do this, we then throw it into a system that is full of kind of making errors. And we call these non-conscious biases. And what a non-conscious bias is it's a shortcut. Okay, we're in the realm of what we call heuristics here, and heuristics are mental shortcuts that we kind of have in our brain system that allow us to juggle information and kind of interpret information quickly. Notice I don't say accurately. And the biases here kind of get into play, because while we might have a quick decision, it's not a systematic decision. So unfortunately, we can't kind of reduce how many mistakes and misinterpretations we might make. So the brain's not a computer. It's full of error, me included. I mean, I've been teaching psychology for a long time now, and I still kind of are prone to these non-conscious biases. So it's quite hardwired. So people shouldn't feel bad about this kind of stuff. It's just part of being human, really.